You're probably throwing the most valuable part of the papaya in the trash without even realizing it. While everyone focuses on the benefits of the fruit, science is discovering that the leaves contain much more powerful compounds for your health. Contrary to what many nutritionists say, papaya leaves aren't just safe for consumption, they can be up to 10 times more effective than many natural remedies. In this video, I'll show you 11 surprising benefits that will change your perspective on this fruit, which in my opinion is a treasure forgotten by many. Stay until the end because I'll teach you exactly how to properly prepare these leaves to take advantage of their full therapeutic potential, plus the precautions you should take before using them. Shall we begin? Benefit number 1. Improves digestion and intestinal health. Did you know that papaya leaves are one of the best natural remedies for digestive problems? And this happens because they contain powerful digestive enzymes, primarily papain and chymopapain. To help you understand better, papain is so efficient at breaking down proteins that it's commercially used to tenderize meat. Imagine what it can do inside our bodies. When we consume papaya leaves, these enzymes help decompose the proteins in the foods we eat, making digestion faster and more efficient. It's like giving your digestive system an extra hand. The benefits for digestion are numerous: reduced gas, relief from the feeling of heaviness after meals, decreased abdominal bloating, and fighting chronic constipation. Additionally, papaya leaves have antiparasitic properties, helping to eliminate intestinal worms and parasites. This contributes to a natural cleansing of your intestines and improves the absorption of nutrients from food. Another important advantage is the protection of the stomach lining. This is why papaya leaves can be useful in treating conditions like gastritis and gastric ulcers, relieving inflammation, and promoting the healing of the stomach mucosa. Benefit number 2. Strengthens the immune system. Our immune system is our frontline defense against diseases, and papaya leaves can be great allies in strengthening it. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, papaya leaves help increase the body's natural defenses. These compounds protect our cells against damage caused by free radicals and stimulate the production of white blood cells. White blood cells, also known as leukocytes, are defense cells. They identify and combat invading agents like viruses, bacteria, and other harmful microorganisms. The stronger our army of white blood cells, the more protected we'll be. Regular consumption of papaya leaves can help reduce your chances of catching that flu, going around the office, or your children's school. It can also speed up your recovery when you're already sick. And that's not all. The antioxidant effect of these leaves also helps reduce inflammation throughout the body and combats oxidative stress, contributing to your overall health. Benefit number 3. Controls blood sugar levels. For those with diabetes or at risk of developing the disease, here's valuable information. Papaya leaves can help control blood sugar levels. This happens because they're rich in antioxidants that increase insulin sensitivity. When our cells become more sensitive to insulin, they can better absorb glucose from the blood, avoiding those harmful sugar spikes. Studies conducted with diabetic mice have shown promising results. Animals that received papaya leaf extract showed a significant reduction in blood glucose levels. Of course, we need more research on humans to fully confirm these benefits, but many experts already believe that papaya leaf tea or juice can be an excellent natural complement for those seeking to control type 2 diabetes. Imagine being able to help control your blood sugar levels naturally, complementing your medical treatment. It's a possibility worth considering, always with guidance from a healthcare professional. Benefit number 4. Increases blood platelet count. This is a benefit that can literally save lives, especially in regions where dengue fever is common. During infection by the dengue virus, blood platelet levels can drop dramatically, increasing the risk of hemorrhages and serious complications. This is where papaya leaves come in as a true ally. Research indicates that dengue patients who consumed papaya leaf extract showed faster and more significant recovery of platelet count compared to those who didn't use this natural resource. The compounds present in the leaves seem to stimulate platelet production and strengthen the immune system, aiding in recovery. And it's not just for dengue. Consuming papaya leaf extract can also be useful for people with low platelet counts due to other reasons, such as chemotherapy treatments, autoimmune diseases, or aplastic anemia. It's important to emphasize that this doesn't replace conventional medical treatment, but it can be a valuable natural complement for blood health recovery. Benefit number 5, reduces inflammation and chronic pain. Did you know that chronic inflammation is linked to the development of various diseases such as arthritis, diabetes, cardiovascular problems, and autoimmune disorders? Papaya leaves are rich in anti-inflammatory compounds like flavonoids, alkaloids, and tannins. These components work by neutralizing free radicals and reducing the production of inflammatory substances in the body. For those suffering from arthritis and joint pain, regular consumption of papaya leaves can bring significant relief, decreasing discomfort and improving mobility. People with intestinal inflammation, such as colitis and irritable bowel syndrome, can also benefit from the anti-inflammatory properties of these leaves. Another interesting use is in treating inflammatory skin problems, such as eczema and psoriasis. Papaya leaves help calm inflammation and promote faster tissue regeneration. And, for athletes and those who exercise regularly, papaya leaves can help with muscle recovery after intense workouts, reducing pain and accelerating muscle regeneration. Benefit number 6, promotes healthy and youthful skin. Who doesn't want to have beautiful and healthy skin, right? Papaya leaves can be your natural beauty secret. They are rich in enzymes, vitamins A, C, and E, and antioxidants that help keep the skin young, healthy, and radiant. One of the main benefits is the stimulation of collagen production, a fundamental protein for keeping skin firm and elastic. Collagen is like the structure that supports our skin. As the years go by, its production naturally decreases, leading to the appearance of wrinkles and sagging. Papaya leaves help stimulate the production of this protein, preventing sagging and promoting a more youthful appearance. Additionally, the antioxidants present in the leaves combat free radicals, the main causes of premature skin aging. This helps reduce wrinkles, fine lines, and blemishes. The antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties of papaya leaves are also useful in treating acne and eczema, reducing redness, and accelerating the healing of lesions. The best part is that you can obtain these benefits both by consuming the leaves internally in the form of tea or juice, and by applying them directly to the skin in the form of facial masks and natural tonics. Benefit number 7, protects liver health. Our liver is one of the most important organs in the body, responsible for more than 500 different functions, including detoxifying the body. Papaya leaves are great allies in protecting this vital organ. They are especially beneficial for those suffering from fatty liver and hepatitis, helping in the elimination of toxins and improving liver function. One of the main mechanisms by which papaya leaves benefit the liver is by stimulating the production of glutathione, an essential antioxidant for liver detoxification. Glutathione works like a natural detergent, neutralizing free radicals and aiding in the elimination of heavy metals and toxic substances. This relieves the liver's burden and promotes its natural regeneration, fostering long-term organ health. The bioactive compounds present in the leaves also help reduce inflammation in the liver, preventing cellular damage and promoting a more balanced metabolism. Incorporating the consumption of papaya leaf tea or extract into your routine can be an excellent natural strategy to strengthen the liver, especially after periods of dietary excesses or alcohol consumption. Benefit number 8, relieves menstrual cramps and PMS symptoms. Ladies, this benefit is especially for you. Papaya leaves can be a true ally against menstrual cramps and PMS symptoms. This is because these leaves contain papain, an enzyme that helps relax the uterine muscles, reducing painful contractions during the menstrual cycle. The result is more comfort and well-being for those who suffer from intense cramps. Additionally, papaya leaves help regulate female hormones, which can minimize symptoms such as bloating, irritability, mood swings, and headaches associated with premenstrual tension. The anti-inflammatory effect of these leaves also contributes to reducing the general discomfort of the menstrual period, providing natural relief. To obtain these benefits, papaya leaf tea can be consumed regularly in the days leading up to menstruation and during the cycle. However, it's important to highlight that pregnant women should avoid consumption, as the leaves can have unwanted effects on the uterus during pregnancy. Benefit number 9. Stimulates hair growth. Those who want stronger and more beautiful hair can also benefit from papaya leaves. They are rich in vitamins A, C, and E, providing intense nutrition to the scalp and strengthening the strands from the root. The antioxidant action of these leaves protects the scalp against damage caused by free radicals, preventing hair weakening and stimulating healthier growth. Additionally, their antimicrobial properties help combat dandruff, reducing flaking and balancing oil production on the scalp. Consumption or topical use of papaya leaf extract improves blood circulation in the hair roots, promoting hair growth and preventing excessive hair loss. You can take advantage of these benefits both by consuming the leaf tea and by applying them directly to your hair in the form of hair masks or natural tonics. It's a natural and economical option for those who want stronger, shinier, and healthier hair without resorting to aggressive chemical products. Benefit number 10. Assists in malaria treatment. In regions where malaria is endemic, papaya leaves have traditionally been used as part of complementary treatment against this disease. Scientific research has begun to confirm what traditional medicine already knew. Papaya leaves possess bioactive compounds, such as alkaloids and flavonoids, that have antimalarial properties. These compounds work in the body by inhibiting the growth of the Plasmodium parasite, responsible for the development of malaria. The effect of these substances is related to their ability to interfere with the parasite's life cycle, making its reproduction in the blood difficult and potentially reducing the disease's symptoms. Additionally, the flavonoids present in the leaves have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory action, aiding in the body's recovery and strengthening the immune system against infections. Although more studies are needed to fully confirm their therapeutic potential in humans, the traditional use of papaya leaves as a natural supplement in fighting malaria has aroused great interest in the scientific community. It's important to emphasize that this is a complementary treatment and does not replace antimalarial medications prescribed by doctors. Benefit number 11. Helps fight cancer. This is probably the most surprising benefit of papaya leaves, and one that has been drawing attention from researchers worldwide. Laboratory studies have demonstrated that papaya leaf extract has anti-cancer potential, helping inhibit the growth of tumor cells. Preliminary research indicates that its bioactive compounds may be effective against different types of cancer, including breast, liver, and pancreatic cancer. One of the most promising mechanisms of this extract is its ability to stimulate apoptosis, which is a natural process of programmed cell death. In simple terms, apoptosis is like cellular suicide that prevents damaged or abnormal cells from continuing to multiply. In the case of cancer cells, this process is dysregulated, and papaya leaves seem to help restore it. Additionally, the antioxidants present in the leaves help reduce oxidative stress, a factor associated with the development and progression of tumors. It's important to highlight that although these results are promising, more clinical studies are needed to prove their effectiveness in humans. Papaya leaf extract should be seen as a possible complementary treatment and never as a substitute for conventional cancer treatments. How to prepare papaya. Leaves for maximum benefits. Now that you know all these incredible benefits, let's learn how to properly prepare papaya leaves to take advantage of their full therapeutic potential. There are two main forms of consumption, juice and tea. I'll teach you how to prepare each one. Papaya leaf juice. You'll need 5 to 10 papaya leaves, preferably young leaves, which are less bitter. Instructions: wash the leaves well, blend the leaves with a little water in a blender, strain the liquid using a fine sieve or a clean cloth. The pure juice is quite bitter, so you can add a little honey or lemon juice to improve the flavor. The recommended dose is 1 to 2 tablespoons. Making the tea is also quite simple. Wash 5 to 7 papaya leaves well. Place the leaves in a pot with 1 liter of water. Bring to a boil and let it simmer for approximately 10 minutes. Turn off the heat, cover the pot, and let it steep for another 5 minutes. Strain the tea and consume up to 2 cups a day, preferably without sugar. For topical application, you can use the cold tea as a tonic for skin and hair, or make a paste with the crushed leaves to use as a facial mask or hair treatment. But before you start using papaya leaves, there are some important precautions you should know. First, consumption is not recommended for pregnant women, as some substances present in the leaves can stimulate uterine contractions. People with allergies to papaya or latex should avoid consuming the leaves, as they may have allergic reactions. If you're taking blood clotting medications, consult your doctor before consuming papaya leaves, as they can enhance the effect of these medications. Start consumption with small amounts to see how your body reacts. The tea and juice are quite bitter, so start with smaller doses until you get used to the taste. Although it's a natural resource, papaya leaves are potent. Therefore, follow the recommended dosages and take periodic breaks in consumption. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any natural treatment, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions or are taking medications. As you can see, papaya leaves are a true treasure of nature, with surprising benefits for our health. The most amazing thing is that you probably have easy access to these leaves either in your own backyard or in your neighbor's. It's nature offering powerful remedies right within our reach. Remember that, like any natural resource, papaya leaves should be used with awareness and respect. Follow the precautions I mentioned, and always consult a healthcare professional before starting any treatment. So, did you already know about all these benefits of papaya leaves? Have you used them for any purpose? Share your experiences in the comments. If you liked this video and learned something new, don't forget to leave a like, share it with those who can benefit from this information, and subscribe to the channel for more content on natural health and well-being. Thank you very much for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.